received these cat toys and I wanted to tell you all about it. They are made of silicone, very soft, flexible. You can chew on them, pull on them. All you have to do is take the end and stick it on this wooden stick and then play. And let me tell you, my cats went crazy for it. This is definitely something that is really super loved in my house. So let me go ahead and just show you how my cats played, and we'll go from there. So as you can see, they both love these. I had to leave the third one on the floor just so I wouldn't get bothered during this video, but there is a blue one as well. I love these. He loves these. She loves these. We all love these toys. They're great, and I absolutely highly recommend them.